Welcome back, guys. Now, for those who could not solve the zero question, let's solve the zero question together. Now, look how we have here on the board. A mass of 1.5 kg moves in a circle of radius 25 centimeter at a constant 2.0 rev per second. Now, 2.0 rev per second is simply the angular, velocity or speed. Calculate this. Now, the first thing we have, because we have about three major questions. The first thing we have is the tangential speed. The next question B under this question 3 is the tangential acceleration, and the very last is the required centripetal force. Now, the first thing we're going to do is to state out all the quantities given to us. Now, don't forget, we have a mass given. The mass here is 1.5 kg. That's the first thing. Now, a mass of 1.5 kg moves in a circle of radius 25 centimeter. Now, the radius is 25 centimeter. Don't forget, the radius should be in meters. So 100 centimeter make 1 meter. So if 100 centimeter makes 1 meter, then 25 centimeter is going to be 25 divided by 100, which will give us 0.25 meter. So all this is sorted already. Now this moves at a constant 2.0 revolution per second. At a constant 2.0, this is the angular, this is the angular speed. So the angular speed we have here, the angular speed, don't forget, you have here is 2 rev per second. Now, the standard unit for angular speed is rad per second. We've looked at that in a couple of past up examples. So this should be in rad per second. So how do we convert revolution per second to rad per second? Now, this is already in seconds, so we don't have a problem with this. So how do we convert revolution to rad? So don't forget, 360 degrees is equals to 1 revolution, which is 2 pi 1 rad, 2 pi r. So don't forget that we'll talk about the circumference of a circle. The circumference of a circle is equal to 360 degrees, which is equal to 1 revolution. So if 1 revolution is 2 pi rad, 1 rev is 2 pi rad, then 2 revolutions will be how many? That is x rad, that'll be x rad, so we cross multiply. So that's 2 pi times 2, x times 1 is x. So what do we have? We have 4 pi rad. That's what we have. So now we've converted this already. So 2 revolution per second is equals to 4 pi rad per second. So we have everything set out already. We have our mass to be 1.5 kg. We have our radius to be 0.25 meter. Don't forget the mass of 1.5 kg moves in a circle of radius 25 centimeter at a constant of this. So the angular speed has been converted to the right, to the right unit, which is 4 pi rad per second. So the first question we have is,